Monday.com CRM review, watch before using. In this video, I'll provide you with a comprehensive overview of Monday.com CRM, a platform designed to streamline your customer relationship management processes. You'll find links to the product in the description below, so check that out for more information. Monday.com CRM is tailored for businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises, looking for an intuitive and customizable solution to manage their customer interactions. One of its standout features is the customizable dashboard, which allows you to visualize your sales pipeline, track leads, and monitor team performance at a glance. You can create automations to handle repetitive tasks, such as sending follow-up emails or notifying team members about updates, which significantly improves productivity. The platform also boasts robust collaboration tools, enabling seamless communication among team members. With features like comments, mentions, and file sharing, your team can stay aligned and informed about customer interactions. Moreover, Monday.com offers various integrations with popular tools such as Slack, Zoom, and Google Workspace, allowing you to centralize your workflows effortlessly. Another impressive aspect is the extensive reporting capabilities. You can generate detailed reports to analyze sales performance, customer engagement, and overall business metrics, helping you make data-driven decisions to enhance your strategies. The mobile app ensures you can manage your CRM on the go, making it convenient for field teams and remote work. While Monday.com CRM excels in many areas, it's important to note that some users might find the learning curve a bit steep initially due to its extensive features. However, once you get the hang of it, the benefits are well worth the effort. In conclusion, Monday.com CRM is a powerful tool for businesses looking to improve their customer relationship management. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more insightful content that can help you make informed decisions. Thanks for watching.